Why do my LED lights turn on and off by themselves? Here's what you need to know and fix. Flickering issues. LongJoin solves. Right photocell seamless LEDs. 1. Photocell sensor feedback loop. Photocell feedback loop, too close to LED, causes on-off cycle. Solution. Mount photocell away. Shield from glow. LongJoin models JL207, JL217. Built-in delay. 2. Loose or faulty wiring. Flickering lights can be caused by loose wires, oxidized terminals, and aging sockets. Moisture degrades contacts. Solution. Check wiring. Secure connections. LongJoin IP66/IP67. Regular checks. 3. Incompatible or low-load photocell. Older photocells, not LED friendly, causes cycling or flickering. Solution. Use LED-compatible photocells. LongJoin's JL205, JL207, JL217, rated for 8A LED loads. Check system's load against photocell's minimum load rating. Oversized photocells detection issues. 4. Power fluctuations or long cable runs. LEDs are sensitive to voltage instability. Voltage drops or surges cause unpredictable behavior. Solution. Choose photocells with surge protection and zero crossing switching. LongJoin JL217, 20 kilovolt protection. Check cable drop and ensure stable AC input. Preventive measures extend system life and reduce costs. 5. Failing or overheating LED driver issue might be inside the luminaire, overheating or degraded LED drivers. Solution. Test driver output voltage. Use thermal cameras to monitor temperature. Replace driver or fixture if thermal protection triggers shutdown. Robust photocells, high-quality LED drivers, low-maintenance system. Why choose LongJoin photocells? When reliability matters, choose LongJoin. Proven manufacturer. LongJoin factory advantages. LongJoin provides global certificates, zero MOQ customization, fast delivery, comprehensive testing. LongJoin ensures harsh outdoor readiness. Team assists, provide details. Voltage, load type, photocell model, installation setup. LongJoin guides you. Lighting stays on, off, right.